If you have a dream, if you have a goal in life that you want to accomplish, I can tell you, hard work, dedication, determination, but always have that dream. Continue to have that vision, because when you continue to propel forward, you will see accomplishments. Take small steps, and sooner or later, they will continue to grow and grow and grow into bigger accomplishments. Guys, believe in yourself, stay strong, stay focused. No matter what, the bad times don't last forever. If someone tells you you can, you prove to them that you can. If someone fires you from a job, you say, you know what? When one door closes, another door opens. Always believe in yourself. And I always tell people when I'm out on the road doing seminars, I say, Kevin, how do you stay motivated? You are the best motivator. When God created you, He created you perfect in every single way. Don't try to be like anyone else. Live your dreams, live your thoughts, and live your ideas to the fullest. And always believe that no matter what happens in your life, it's for a greater purpose.
It takes time. Acorn takes time to turn into an oak tree. So you can't expect to play in an orchestra when you don't have that experience. So time brings wisdom, knowledge. You have to be willing to spend time alone to discover your purpose and to understand the process of becoming into who you are.